Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I was traveling towards Estonia and found this amazing valley on my route. This is Glidden Valley, and here I have observed more than 10,000 birds in a single place. I came down from my car and the sound was spectacular. If David Attenborough were here, he would definitely would have packed all his items and would lie down here for a night and make an amazing episode of Planet Earth.
MashaAllah.
Sit tight, here they come.
Can you hear this?
The small white spots that you are seeing, all are birds. In the ground, in the water, and on the sky.
All are birds.
On my way back home, I took another glance of those.
But this is the same place. I think next time, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives me an option, I want to visit this place again if possible. Look at those birds. Look at those birds on my left and right. Oh, thousands of birds on both sides. Whoa.
Many thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to motivate us for more and more of these amazing videos. Bye bye.